Good
Welcome back to
afternoon,
our
ma'am.
class.
Good
Good
morning,
afternoon,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So in the last class, we discussed about this one. We discussed about these deficiency diseases. Are you remember about that?
Yes, ma'am.
Deficiency
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, I showed some pictures, right? When we see some pictures, that effect will be more than simply what we say about that. Okay, so to get a continuity, I will start with the same. Okay, so please wait. Let me share the this board. At that time, nobody should mute it, unmute it, okay? Okay, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so vitamins and vitamins or minerals deficiency disease. Before that, what do you mean by deficiency disease? That we
Ma'am,
discussed it.
diseases.
Okay, say don't unmute. I will ask. Okay, Amita, mute your audio. Amita, mute your Maya also mute it, please. Okay, this deficiency diseases are diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period. Lack of nutrients over a long period. These are called deficiency diseases. For example, if you are not at all eating any fruits or vegetables in your diet, you are eating only the meats. If you are eating only the meat products, you won't be able to get the vitamins or minerals which are you have to get it through the fruits and minerals. Understood? If you are not eating egg, if you are not eating egg or pulses, your body won't get any proteins. Okay, your body won't get any proteins. So, because of that lack of protein, you may lose your hair, your nails won't grow properly, your growth also won't be proper. You may have to meet some this one skin diseases. Okay, these all are the problems caused due to the lack of protein. In the same way, if we are eating a particular type of food for a long time, we won't get all the nutrients which are in the other food items. So then there is the chances of getting this deficiency diseases. There are chances to affect these deficiency diseases. Okay, diseases that are occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. So, okay, Harriet, please unmute yourself, Harriet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you read the heading and the sentence from the board?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, fast.
Deficiency diseases.
Yes.
Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases.
Okay, so why I am calling some students, so maybe I can make it sure that you can see the board, and at this time some of those are writing down the points. They also will get time to write down. Okay, so now, okay, Smriti, tell me, Smriti, please tell me, say, how can we prevent these deficiency diseases? Devika, don't make sound. Smriti, unmute it, Smriti, fast. I think Smriti's network is low. So, Ameya, unmute it, Ameya. Okay, can you tell me how can we prevent these deficiency diseases?
Ma'am, we should eat a lot of fruits and vegetables.
Okay, mute it, mute it. See, I will ask Ayush Tej, Ayush Tej, Ayush Tej, can you unmute? Okay, how can we prevent deficiency diseases? How can we prevent deficiency diseases? How can we prevent deficiency diseases?
Ma'am, by eating lot of fruits.
By eating lot of fruits. Lots of fruits. It is not only that one, just think about it. Who
Ma'am, can I
can,
say?
1 minute, who can say it? Raise your hand, don't unmute, don't unmute, raise your hand. Don't unmute, raise your hand. Okay, Ananya, I am in search of that particular word. Okay, tell me, Ananya.
Ma'am, we can prevent diseases by eating the food which have nutrients.
Okay, no, it is not the correct word. Please, who know the answer, please raise your hand.
Ma'am.
Don't, Brista,
Ma'am.
don't unmute. Brista, don't unmute. If you want to tell the answer, you can raise your hand. Okay? See, okay, I will again repeat that question. I will repeat the question. All deficiency diseases can be prevented by. Okay, I am in search of that particular word I had taught you in the last class. So, how can we prevent the deficiency diseases? Let me see how many know. I can see Devika, Geetika, Brisa, and let me see some more. Siana also, good. Ameya, Devaganga. Tell me, Devaganga.
Ma'am, is
Devaganga.
it balanced diet?
Yeah, that is the correct word. Okay, by taking a balanced diet. Okay, so we can prevent deficiency diseases by taking a balanced diet. Got it? Okay, so you have to remember sometimes we need a particular word, the correct exact word as an answer. So some of them had told nutrients. Okay, nutrients, only nutrients can make this deficiency diseases? No, no. See, we want some roughage and water also. So we can tell a balanced diet. Now I want to share the screen. Okay. During that time, you can see different types of deficiency diseases or disorders. Here you can see which mineral or vitamin is deficient. For example, loss of vision, loss of vision. In the last day, I told it sometimes if vitamin A is deficient in our body, if vitamin A is deficient in our body, that means if we are not eating carrots, leafy vegetables, like these things, vitamin A won't be produced in our body. So, at that time, that will affect our eyesight. See, poor vision, loss of vision in darkness. I told one particular word for that, right? Loss of vision in during the night. Yes,
And night
Krista?
blindness.
Okay, night blindness. Okay, so sometimes complete loss of vision. So how can we overcome this deficiency disease? By
Ma'am, by eating food which have vitamin A.
vitamin. Okay, vitamin A, not vitamin, vitamin. Okay, vitamin A. Okay, vitamin A. Next one, I showed one picture, right? Beriberi. The name of that disease is nice, but the disease is not that much nice. Okay, it affects our muscles. It affects our muscles. Muscles are responsible for our movement. Am I right? Muscles are responsible for our movement. If our muscles are becoming weak, if our muscles become weak, how can we move? If we can't move means we can't do any of our activities. You might have seen some people who has weak muscles, right? So what is the reason for that? Lack of vitamin B1. Lack of vitamin B1. I will show again the picture, okay? I think that day yes, say muscles are very weak. The person can't move it, can't walk. Okay, leg muscles, hand muscles, muscles are all over our body. Okay, so this is the beriberi. How can we prevent this disease? By eating vitamin C.
Eating food items that contain
Uh,
Vitamin
B1.
C. Say now in the notes which I am planning to send, there I kept one names of some food items which contain different vitamins. So you can note down that all things. Okay. Next one is the scurvy. Scurvy is a disease, deficiency disease due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C. If we are not eating this vitamin C, citrus fruits, right? Vitamin C is rich in citrus fruits, sour tasting fruits. So if we are not using that one, sometimes our body may deficient in vitamin C, and scurvy is the name of that deficiency disease. What is the symptoms of this scurvy? Bleeding gums. Gums from the gums. You know gums, what it is gums? Our teeth are
Ma'am,
located in the gums, right?
gums.
From the gums, it will start to bleed. And wounds take longer time to heal because say when any wounds happens to our body, at that place blood starts to clot. Then only the bleeding will stop. But here the clotting capacity of that person will be reduced. That is why it takes time to heal. Wounds take longer time to heal. Okay, I will show the picture so that those who missed that one, see from the gums it bleeds, right? What is the name of this one? Scurvy.
Scurvy.
Scurvy. Okay, so we can go back to next one. That is the rickets. Rickets. The rickets are due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin D, we usually get it from the milk and milk products. So if you don't like milk, you can use milk products. Okay, so many milk products are there. You can use that one. See, what is the symptom of this ricket? Bones become soft
And bent.
Okay. So there also picture is there for the rickets. See, usually our legs are becoming straight, standing straight, right? But those people who are suffering from rickets, see, you can see a bend. You might have seen this. Some of the old aged people, you can see the legs become bent. Okay, and that is because the deficiency of vitamin D. What is the name of that condition? Rickets. Okay, rickets. Very nice sounding words, right? Rickets. So what you have to do? What you have to do? After, if a person is affected by this rickets, he will feel it very difficult to walk. He will feel it very difficult to walk. Okay. So these are the rickets. Another one. Yes, you can. Yes, who wants to talk? Yes, please. Yes, I will stop sharing so that I can. Who wants to talk to me? Say somebody. Sorry.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anthony Vijo. What you want, Anthony?
Ma'am, Ananya.
Ananya. Okay, Ananya. I can't hear your voice. That is why. Why? Tell me. Yes.
Can this rickets and this every deficiency diseases can be treated?
These deficiency diseases can be, yes, we can treat it by supplying sufficient, listen, Shravana, mute your audio. Shravana, mute it. If I am not telling to Shravana, echoes will produce. Okay, so this one, this deficiency diseases we can treat it, okay, by supplying sufficient quantity of vitamins. Okay, so it is better to prevent than to treat, right? So you can, now the goal is on your pot. You can add what all vitamins you need for your growth. If you are not doing that one, you have to face these all deficiency diseases. Treating deficiency disease is very difficult. Understood? So, better you can have a balanced diet. Okay, can I go back to the slides?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so vitamin D requires that also. Oh, now calcium deficiency. What happens to our body if we are deficient of calcium? You know it better than, right? See, because calcium is very much necessary for the bones and teeth to become strong. If you are not eating calcium rich food or calcium is deficient in your body, that will surely affect the bones and teeth. Okay, so weak bones, tooth decay, these all are the symptoms of deficiency in calcium. Include these all food items which can give calcium. You know about this, right? Next one, iodine. Iodine is a mineral, right? Iodine is a mineral. Because
Mineral.
of mineral. See, from where you will get this iodine? I told some food items.
Ma'am, from iodized salt,
Very good, very good. Iodized salt. Before
crab,
that, okay, crabs and all, but every time we can't include these crabs and all, right? But we can use, we have to use salt in our all food items. So when we are using salt, we can choose salt which contain iodine. That is called iodized salt. That is called iodized salt.
iodized salt.
Okay, say when you are using the salt, you can just check the wrapper of that salt, what it is written. Maybe most of the time it is written iodized salt. Today itself you have to check it, okay. If you
Ma'am,
are
and
not,
ginger also.
ginger also, okay. So that all we are using it in the as a spice. So this goiter, goiter is the name of that deficiency disease which is formed due to the lack of iodine. Same here on the neck, there is a gland called this thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. You have heard about it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You might have heard about this
Yes,
thyroid
ma'am.
gland. Okay, thyroid. In our body, so many glands are present. These, what is the function of these glands? It to help the body function, to regulate our body growth, to regulate our body growth, to help our body function. So the one of the gland is present on our neck. Okay, that is called neck. That is called thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. It is a gland which produces hormones. Okay, so if iodine is not deficient, not enough in our diet, that will affect the functions of thyroid. That will affect the functions of thyroid gland. See, please check your audio. Some sounds are producing. So that the name of that one is goiter. the deficiency disease that produced because of the deficiency of iodine. That is called goiter. Okay, we can go back to slides. Here you can see goiter. Glands in the neck appear swollen. Mental disability in children. Okay, if it is there in the children, their mental growth won't be, because this thyroid gland is responsible for the mental and physical growth. Okay, so if this thyroid gland is not working properly, that will affect the growth. I will show the picture of the disease, goiter. See, thyroid, you can see a gland here, thyroid. Can you see? On the neck. Can you see a picture? Yes, yes. So mute it and watch it. See here, a person is with a swollen neck. That thyroid gland, because of that insufficient iodine, it becomes swell. Okay, so this is called goiter. This disease is called goiter. Okay, but I think we have to this one, we have to take it from that neck. Okay, see, thyroid. Thyroid is a gland present on our neck. Because of the deficiency of iodine, the name of that disease is goiter. Okay. Now, another one more is there. Let me show it. Okay, next one is anemia. Anemia, you heard about it, anemia, right? Anybody knows about it, anemia? What do you mean by anemia? It is also sounds very nice. Who know about it? Anemia. Anemia is the deficiency disease which is produced due to the lack of iron in our body. See, sometimes when we consult a doctor, doctor will check our eyes, right? Just by looking on our eyes, he will tell,
Yes, ma'am.
see, in your body, the blood content is not enough. Blood is produced by blood cells. How these blood cells are produced? How this blood cell is producing the blood cells?
Ma'am, iron.
Iron is the mineral which helps to produce
Blood cells.
Yeah. So if iron content is less in our body, the production of blood also will become less. So at that time we will become very pale, and not only that, we won't be able to do any work. Whole time we will become weak. Okay, so that anemic person, it is easy to treat it. They can add more and more iron content food like spinach,
apple,
dates. These all which are got. So these all things we can see. Okay. I think now these are all about this deficiency. I will send a note regarding this one, because I know it is not possible for you to write down everything. Okay, one more minute. Let me see any more slides are there or not. Okay, this much is there. So most of the questions, most of the concept we discussed in this chapter. Okay, it is almost completed. You have to read the summary of the textbook, that chapter, and which all notes I am sending, you have to write down. Okay, will you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have
Yes,
to.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Well,
Yes, ma'am.
After, I think I can send the notes in the evening. So there onwards, 2-3 questions you write down it. Okay. So today I am going to wind up my session. Read the textbook properly. Okay, read it, underline
Okay,
it,
ma'am.
underline this.
Okay,
Find
ma'am.
out so many multiple choice questions, MCQs. Okay, and note down. Try to
Okay,
do
ma'am.
the text back questions. Some questions are there, given there.
Okay, ma'am.
After each chapter, some questions are there. They are all simple questions. Try to do it your own. Next class, we will discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
For things.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you,
We'll
ma'am.
meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.